for the employees in an organization, and here's a discussion on SOFI's performance management process will be provided. For the various performance management tools and theories will be introduced in this section, and the Tower Insurance is also a New Zealand-based company, and it's working for very long for the people and an organization and mission and vision of the company. And mission of the Tower Insurance is to simplify the insurance policies, and the vision of the organization is to make policies easier to understand and read for the people. And if the people they want to make an insurance with their Tower Insurance, and so they can easily read and they understand what the policy is. So it's beneficial for the customers. In the way they want to ensure more customers for the organization to gain better future development process for the company. And the organization objectives and goals. And this part, is provide the car, house, and content policies with mark plan, white mark plan languages, and it's only for the communication, that effective communication among the members of the organization to have better understanding about the policies and provide better directions for the clients, that how they can help their customers and which ways they can help. So and providing quality services with effective relationships with the clients through open and clear communication in their main goal. And the performance development goals and relationships management attributes. In order to have better performance development process, motivation of SOFI needs to be improved in Tower Insurance, and improvement in communication process of SOFI to make better decision and great management process in the organization. And for the relationship management, increase through social, traditional, and mobile channels, attribute will be effective for SOFI. And these are the goals for SOFI. And leadership approach. The transformational leadership approach will be most preferable for the development process of SOFI's Tower Insurance, and it will improve her motivational as well as help her in understanding the needs and skills of competence in an effective manner. And motivated employees provide better performance in an organization and believe in the self-development process. And the SOFI, she can motivate the employees and the people who are working under her. So the communication approach and contingency approach to the management process will also be very effective for improving the performance of SOFI. Performance management approach. The psychological appraisals, performance management such for SOFI will help in developing her skills more effectively, and moreover, this approach will also ensure better understanding of her potential and performance development process in the future. And this approach will also ensure better understanding of the skills gaps, which is really essential for self-assessment and which motivates employees like SOFI in the future development progress. Coaching and the tools for performance management. In order to provide a better understanding of the blind spot to find out the skills gap in SOFI, performance coaching is very effective. And the performance appraisals and 360-degree feedback tools are very effective in proving an understanding of the performance management process. With 360-degree feedback and performance appraisal tools, an organization can effectively understand the importance of employees according to the organization targets, and the professional, ethical, and socially and culturally appropriate behavior. With the ERG motivational model, better implementation of the motivational needs can be derived for SOFI in this organization, and harassment not providing references and adapting to the organization culture are the main issues for an employee in the organization. With the implementation of proposed performance management strategies, those issues can be reduced very easily with effective communication and management process. Tikanga and the Treaty of Waitangi will also help Tower Insurance in providing a better future development process for the organization with better values and organizational evaluations. And the last is conclusion. With the implementation of the proposed performance management strategies, the better future development process of SOFI in travel insurance can be achieved, and communication skills improvement of SOFI is really essential for the matter. And moreover, with experiences and self-awareness, SOFI will making better decision in unknown workplace. There are the references, and thank you so much.
Okay, thank you. If we ask you to present about the leadership style in the presentation. So that there are some irrelevant.
Yeah, maybe I think there's one slide with the code, the 360 tools.
Okay, so you need to make sure that if you do presentation, make sure that you have the keyword content, not something irrelevant. Okay? So let me ask you straightforward question. Can you tell me about one goal that can be you suggest for SOFI?
To enhance communication skills with the customers.
Okay. How is that beneficial for the company as well?
If she can able to with the customers and with the team with her team. So if she can easily make understand her team well. So the team will introduce something relevant, something which is the things like the insurance policies to the customers. So if they can easily communicate with the customers in a easy language, so people can understand and they can join more people with the company.
Okay. Another question: how would you actually manage your relationship with SOFI? You will be leading SOFI during this process. How would you manage your relationship with her?
The process, the task which she give to do, so I can do in time, and if my manager called me at a proper time, so I can be on time, like punctual. So these type of things are making a good relationship with my manager.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.